Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with something extra special we've been working on for a long time. This is the Unicorn Love quilt. You know, the Unicorn Love fabric, which is from Clothworks, was actually out a while ago, and we were paid a visit by the lovely team from Clothworks, and we were talking about some fabric. This collection came up, and they had asked, why didn't you buy that initially? And I, was just candid and said, hey, it says born to sparkle. This one says I sweat glitter, but there's no glitter, there's no sparkle. And that lovely creative director there at Clothworks said, we can make that happen for you. And I'm like, let's go do that. And so you are seeing the fabric here. We're going to try to capture what they've done there with the team. Incredible. The wings are gold metallic. I can see gold metallic accents in the mane, in the unicorn's horn, out in the clouds. And here you can see a lot of glitter here. And our name is on the selvage. I'm really proud about that. Exclusively printed for Shabby Fabrics by Clothworks. We did not design the beautiful collection they did there. We just had the idea and the inspiration to add some glitter and sparkle. That makes everybody happier, right? So what's this quilt all about? Clothworks is actually having that fabric printed right now. We asked them to fly in some yardage for us so we could make the quilt in advance, show you what you can look forward to, and give you an opportunity to reserve your kit or kits if you're going to be making them for multiple kids, and of course be able to reserve your backing. So for just $10 you can reserve your kit, $5 for the backing, and of course once that fabric comes, we're very busy here, all hands on deck to cut that fabric, fold, and carefully put the kits together. We'll bill you for the difference and get that headed your way. You don't want to miss out. We are the only ones in the world that will have this collection. We're really excited about that, working with our partners there at Clothworks. This is all piecing. As you can see, we have panels that it's not applique. So you'll be getting 2 panels in your kit that you'll be fussy cutting around, so you're getting that exact site picture. And then we're adding a beautiful rainbow stripe, some rainbows, some 4-patch, some sashing, outer borders, and binding. This is not a complicated project, but you of course want to really nail that fussy cutting of that panel. For that reason, the 9.5-inch creative grid, you can see it's just so perfect. You get out your spinning mat, you get out your panel, lay your fabric on top. You can find the sweet spot and of course cut around, get your 12 panels, and then you're on your way to start doing your piecing. Precise piecing, we all know that takes some elements, right? Patchwork pins, the new needle in the sewing machine, fresh blade, all those things. Good thread, of course, and can't get too far away from that seam ripper. We are doing a lot of piecing, so I do have one of the blade savers, actually 2 of the blade savers, pink and purple, whichever one's your favorite. Not a must-have notion by any means, but it sure is nice being able to just quickly cut that thread without having to grab for that pair of scissors. But the most important thing is there's a limited amount of fabric being printed for us right now. Get those kits, get that backing. That's the most important thing. Any other notions you might need, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.